Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope everybody is doing really great today and having a wonderful day. Me everybody will talk about this curry chicken video where Amari spoil and how the curry chicken never did look good. All sort of something here people are talk about. So me decided to want to know which video I'm gonna talk about with Amari spoil curry chicken. Finally come across the video and I watch it and me just literally embarrassed when was say a dish she called Jamaican curry chicken. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the video and as the video proceeds I go give a little criticisms about how she do her so-called Jamaican curry chicken. Let me just go ahead and play it. I go pause in between every now and then. My critique what she just say. So as me pause, my critique play again, so on and so forth.
I can't do that. That makes no sense whatsoever. Here I'm cooking curry chicken, but when I cook in a medicinal way. Whatever I cook, it has to be medicine for me and my children. Inside my curry chicken, you have country pepper, thyme, potato, red onions, right. We have ginger. Right now we're missing garlic, and we also have Himalayan salt, the pink salt, and we don't have any water inside of this curry chicken. Put
First thing first. So let me just pause it and talk about what she just said a while ago. What Amari said a while ago. First of all, let me just criticize what she just said a while ago. She make mention of not having garlic in the pot. Me I think to myself and I say, what is curry chicken? What is Jamaican curry chicken if you don't have garlic? Garlic are one of them things the way a curry pot definitely need to have. The ginger part not so bad. People may or may not put ginger in a them curry pot. More often you find people that put ginger in a them pork pot, like stew pork or whatever. But the ginger, yeah, you can give and take with the ginger. You can also understand with the Himalayan pink salt. People have it to say Himalayan pink salt has a whole lot more other health benefits, which so it is said for real, because I've come across a lot of health pages where promote the Himalayan pink salt over the regular white salt we see more commonly on the market. So that can go on. She made mention of having Irish in the pot and country pepper. Yeah, the country pepper fine. When she said potato maybe not Irish, so potato. When she said potato, I'm only hoping that when she said potato she mean Irish potato. Cause I could have never sweet potato Amari might put in my pot. Because I hope say a really Irish potato she refer to as well by saying potato she put in the pot. Next thing now, the pot me the kind of pot I would not cook curry in that pot. Cause it too small, it just look chuck up in the pot. Like too much things in the small pot to me. You need more space. Me personally, I like cooking on a Dutch pot. So even if I should cook in that kind of pot, that type of pot, but I definitely need a bigger pot. Because everything is chuck up in the pot. And me don't know if nobody else, but me eat with my eyes. So if the food no look presentable, me can't bother so much time in a pot. If I use that much time, cut it up small so you know look that turned off by that so much time was what bungle up at the top of the pot so. So I will just continue and hear what more she have to say guys. Trust me, me already turned off by the curry chicken. Yeah. Then again the curry chicken so white. Like why the curry chicken not a color? She needs some better curry in her pot.
everything together in the pot. cover it and we cook it slowly, rather slowly. You will see how low the stove is. Because I don't believe in
The
cooking
pot the fire need to turn up like higher
fast.
than that too.
Because when you do, you tend to
The pot
lose
won't
the
bubble up.
nutrients out of the food. So the chicken is cut up small. I hate the type of curry chicken that they give us at the restaurants in the US. Some big chunky curry chicken that definitely turn me off. And right here, you see, I don't leave out my scallion. Now, I love to cook with rosemary, but I just don't think
Yeah,
that
but
the rosemary
rosemary
should
is
be
rosemary
in my
like that
curry
in
chicken
there.
today. Well, as I say, I don't season up my food overnight. I love I believe that the fridge take away the essence, the flavor, and the nutrients out of certain things. So I
Alright. So Amari just say, Lord of mercy, no sir. She need to come back a yard come for learn to cook all over again. She just said she cut up her meat in small pieces because she don't like how the American curry chicken thing go with the big chunks of curry, come big chunks of meat and such. I swear me see one big fat chicken leg, a whole of chicken leg and one whole of chicken wing she stirred the pot with whole am. So why the leg no cut? Why the wing no cut? Anyways, alright Amari, alright. She I say cook the pot on a very low fire. I mean alone find it annoying when the pot now really bubble up for the first part of it, like the first half of the cooking, the flame supposed to be not high where it a burn or dry out, but like medium flame where it's supposed to have push little heat. Like it's supposed to have pumps on heat. It's supposed to have bubble up and thing. While it has simmer down and come to an end, you can turn down the pot at that point. So be the case. So the pot, the meat look fairly raw because it look white. Some part look reddish like some amount of blood still in it. So me personally would have turn up the flame become more far more than that, like medium flame or so. Make it go and bubble. Lord God Almighty, you only let me just feel. Oh,
love to cut my onion fresh. What a lot of people do not know is that what
oh. Next thing now, what she said a while ago, she said she don't like season up her meat overnight. Um, some people have been to say what she said a while ago about the onion thing. That is you know 100% if a true, but I've heard a lot of persons say then when them season up the meat and everything them put on the meat overnight. And onion always hear about onion being one of the things when they necessarily put it on the meat overnight. With her explanation, it somewhat is understandable. But even if you're gonna season up your meat overnight, Amari, and not like you're gonna leave it open, you more like you put it in one closed container, probably have the Ziploc bag or even just a regular clear plastic bag then. Season your meat, tie it up in the bag, put it in the freezer or one closed container, something like that. So the seasoning overnight thing, there's nothing really wrong with the seasoning overnight. It's just that some persons won't necessarily put all the seasoning overnight. But the basic seasoning, you can sprinkle a little meat seasoning, something all purpose and whatever. Overnight, put it in a closed container, maybe a Ziploc bag, a cover dish, whatever it be. You're good to go for season overnight, and I like so when it close, it still have to absorb whatever other things in the fridge. So I'm gonna wheel and come again though.
once you cut onions, it removes the toxin out of the fridge and the environment. So you're definitely absorbing poison inside of your body. So the minute that you cut onion, you need to use it immediately. So this has been simmering for the past 10 to 15 minutes. And now I'm going to stir it a little. And then I'm going to cover it back soon and allow it to simmer some more. And at no time will I be adding water. Now, if you do find that you have to add water, I would suggest that you use spring water, because we don't want no chlorine water in our food. And another thing that is added to this food right here is olive oil. Now you know that olive
Here one old baby girl, she a come say, if you add spring water. Yeah, some people then they use the straight pipe water, which we understand. So here in Jamaica, even here in Jamaica, some people still use spring pipe water. So that understandable. But God say I know Amari, you can contact about say at no point in time you gotta add water to the pot. So how so much water already in the pot? The pot, yeah, say it a simmer quite a while now. That now bubble up none at all, baby girl. The chicken raw same way. Now bubble up. No, you fire it, to turn up some more. It need to bubble up and cook thoroughly in order for the redness out of the meat go away. So I don't know we can contact about say that a simmer quite a while now.
oil and curry and ginger. Those are some of the greatest ingredients in regards to cancer and in regards to other illnesses, bad stomach, bad feeling, nauseousness, and the whole works. So there goes my curry here, and I'm gonna switch over now to my rice. Over here, I am cooking my rice. No, this is not the regular rice. The only rice that I cook is jasmine rice. If you don't know about jasmine rice, you need to definitely check it out. Now I need to add a little more water to my rice. First I boiled the spring water, and then I had the sea salt, and then I had the jasmine rice. And not all rice, are
She have a red flag right there, so one big red flag from right there. So first and foremost, you don't put the same spoon that come from the meat pot in the rice pot, baby love. That's one big, very big red flag right there. So some people, I understand that some people don't like the regular pound rice. Some people buy the Alberta rice. Some people buy jasmine rice, or the other one when you basmati rice. Fine, whichever rice that's definitely your personal preference still. But the same spoon and the two pot them in not work. She have a time, she have some time over this in the pot. That's fine as well, because some people put like beat up piece of garlic in the rice pot, or maybe them cut up piece of thyme in the rice pot. That's perfectly understandable. For flavor purposes, then put it in the pot. Fine, that's understandable. But the same spoon business it not go work, Amari. Two different spoon. One spoon stick to the meat pot, next spoon or fork or whatever stick for the rice pot. And you have persons where them cook rice differently. The other day I come across, almost the other day, I mean like probably like last year or so, I come across somebody where cook rice different from how me personally cook rice. When me I cook rice, boil the water first, then me add in the little butter and the salt, and then me put in my rice and something. I've seen persons where they put on a pot of water, first of all, them have a pot, wash the rice and tea, catch little water at whatever level above the rice level with them plan for put on the pot, put it on immediately with the regular pipe temperature water, basically cold water, with the rice and light it right away. I never came across that before until last year. I see somebody do it. At all along, me know about rice I cook. The water boil up first, then you add in the water, then add in the rice. So you can give and take with the way how persons cook their rice. Where you boil the water first, then you add the rice, or the water and rice in the pot and like same time. And I've tasted it when the rice and the water put on same time, and it can go on. The texture of the rice is just the same as if you put on the water for boil first. So that alright in a sense, but the same spoon business did not go work.
you're able to wash. The package will tell you whether or not you should wash the rice. Now, a lot of people is gonna find that strange, But some rice, you
Watch
wash
the
it, you
scaling
wash
and drop
off
off
the
in the pot.
nutrients from the rice. Now, can I have a little more spring water? We're going to add some more water to this. Remember, do not stir the rice. I had a little olive oil, and I also add a little piece of thyme. Now, thyme has many medicinal effects, including getting rid of gas,
Shiktantalia pronounce the word is
mucus,
so
and
medicinal.
also help with your nerves. Because a lot of us are depressed, sad, miserable, and you only have strength to come on a Amari page and criticize because of the food that you eat. Your body just don't feel right,
Watch the share
and
flash
which
of
we
the onion, the
love
scallion and the
company.
onion in
So
the
now
rice
I'm
pot
going
that
to
come from the
cover
meat
back
pot.
my rice. And remember, never you cook on high fire. The fire should always be super low
If the
because
rice
to
cook
cook
on
the
such a
best
low
food that
flame,
you
if
eat
you
on
don't,
ranging at
me don't know if I'm me alone, but when me I cook rice, me start off on like it's not gonna be high, but higher than what she have here stove right now. It start bubble up, and as the water take time dry down, then me take time turn down the flame lower as as the rice take time dry down until. Me personally, if me do that, the rice will come soggy. Cause when it low like that, the rice will be soggy. And to me no like soggy rice. I like my rice like shelly or near as possible to being shelly. And I like the rice because when the flame so low, the rice more likely to get soggy and soft.
high fire, you cause the pot to melt and the whole works and the metal to mix with the oil, and that itself is cancer. Now, it's important that you choose the type of pot that you cook in. Most of the time, I use non-stick pots, but some of these non-stick pots are also poisonous. Make a decision today in regards to the type of pots that you use to cook your meal because you could be killing yourself. Remember, I told you the best pot that I consider is the old time Dutch pot for a granny using at Jamaica and the grandfather because boy, the grandfather then could sweeten up blue pot. You understand? So see, my chicken is coming along real good,
The
and
pot
you
not
can
even bubble
see
up.
the
Jesus
gravy
Christ.
right there looking real nice.
Chicken white
And I know I
fat.
haven't cooked for a while because first I had to make sure that my kitchen is set up right and the whole works. But look, can you show right there? Look, my gravy is looking real nice, and I'm sure even the sugars will say that this is delicious. I'm sure their
Not a
mouths are
backside
watering
delicious
right
but
now. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this cook session with Amari DJ Mona Lisa, the one that many people claim have Bafan. And that don't make any sense to me. No, your utensils. We should have cut off this. Your
watch the tag up
utensils.
on the
Make
spoon
sure you
same way
don't
like
put
a one
them
brand
down
new
on certain
sponge just step
areas,
up.
especially if you live in New York, because there are rats and roaches everywhere. So if you notice, I rest my utensil right here. And like I say, that's one of the reasons I wasn't cooking because New York is full of rat, roaches, and pestilence, and so you have to make sure you get rid of them before you really start cooking in your kitchen because these things pass on a lot of diseases. So until next time, it's Amari DJ Mona Lisa Kitchen. Shubis, go tell it on the mountain.
Alright, so here one out. The last part there Amari say but the choice of your pot makes a big difference on how it influences the health. Yeah, that is certainly true. Cause some of them non-stick pot them have a layer coating on the inside where if you when you cook or at least when you boil like water or any form of liquid you boil in the pot, you see the coating take time to come off in the pot in your meal or whatever you boil or cook in the pot. So me personally don't like them non-stick pot them. The pot them where we here in Jamaica more likely we cook rice in a. I don't know what the correct name for them, but I'm sure people know what one rice pot would be like. And Me would cook the curry chicken in that pot either. Wouldn't draw for my nice Dutch pot, and it I forgot bigger than that cause that look choco. The rice no, me just don't like the idea of non-stick pot because of the layer coating what in it and it take time shed off. The more you cook, the more it shed off. So me ain't gonna choose that. Me don't know what the correct name for the kind of pot them what we have here in Jamaica. We tend to cook rice in a, but whatever the name, I'm sure whoever watch whoever we as Jamaicans here we know what the kind of pot they would be like. So the choice of pot there not my thing. And she right when she say the choice of your pot make a big difference for your health. And the tag the tag that she have on the spoon, you obviously say it's a new spoon and she not take off the tag and no. That little tag something there, it need to come off Amari. So this what she claim say is Jamaican curry chicken. I don't know how she get the idea from because whoever teach her, they make a sad mistake. They never teach her nothing good at all. Never teach her nothing good at all. So Amari, you need to wheel and come again with the so-called Jamaican curry chicken. Something we are dealing with right now because it just not happen for you at all, baby girl. It not happen at all. So guys, just comment down below feedback, anything at all you want, any response, any feedback, anything at all. Cause my criticism, be sure know say I know me alone observe certain things when you come on to she doing our Jamaican curry chicken a while ago and the video there. So thank you guys for tuning in. Feel free to comment down below and continue supporting.